guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday, September 18th. I had a intense workout today, as I'm sure you could tell because my hair looking real good. I'm gonna jump in the shower, but I got my hair extensions. I want to make sure that I can do some heat on them. Even though I order natural hair, like real hair, not fake hair, you never know. And then I'm going to put them in. So for me, I don't do hair extensions typically for length. Yeah, my last one's added a little bit, and these ones are a little warm. Granted, my hair is soaking wet. Well, not really anymore, just a little, you know, because I worked out. I did an intense workout. Also, my ears doing okay. Those have been with me for, you know, the whole thing. So it's definitely a lot warmer, but I'm not mad at it. The color isn't the best, but I think mixed in literally with all my hair, that's it. That's all I have. I literally have no hair. I mean, there's a little bit back here, but like I literally have no hair. There's not much I can do about it. So I'm not going to, I ordered one pack. These are 14 inches because I don't think I'm gonna need anything longer. I do single-sided because my hair is so thin and I wanna put some up here to get my friends. So I had to buy these, which are also supposedly single-sided. And you know, they cover where you open it because they obviously don't want you to open it and return it, so. Yes. Wow. So again, you're not gonna be able to tell. Yeah. So we'll see. I'm gonna put them in, put some heat in, but first, again, you know, they're all kind of bunched up in their package. There's definitely some black spots because I think they add silicone to make them smooth. So there's definitely fried spots, but to be honest, I don't really care. Just don't leave an immense amount of heat on them. And I've had extensions before. It took me a long time to get them out. So this is what I use to get mine out. I haven't used this brand or this one, but I used this, which is C2 solvent. C22. Math is hard. Why is that focused over there? Sorry. So this is what I use. Essentially, it just eats the glue, I guess. I don't know, I didn't have any problems after I used it. Don't know. I used about a quarter of the bottle and I had two rows of extensions in, where I think I'm just gonna do one row back here and then I think I might do one here. But again, you can see my hair is super fine, so I need to really make sure I put them in correct. And to be honest, if you see it, you see it. So I'm gonna jump in the shower, and then if you guys want to watch me put them in, then you can. And I chopped 2 inches off my hair, pulled my earring out, chopped 2 inches off, you know. So essentially I chopped off the blonde is very dead for obvious reasons, but I chopped off because like I like to angle it so it's not so harsh. And I probably will have to do it again when I put the extensions in, but you know, it's fine. But my workout was good today. Good. I can speak more good. Almost 700 calories, so I had a good workout. I was down 2 pounds. I haven't changed in like, since before, you know, that time, and then a week, and then now. And then I also got my new case for my Macs that I ordered. So I just ordered one of these guys, and this is my 7 Plus. So it's about the same size, like literally. The case is bigger, but I literally think the phone is the same size. I don't have, there we go. And this one has a front screen, where this one has no screen on it. And it's been replaced from Apple. But I think I also want to get a screen protector, but that would be 2 in between. And I don't even know, I don't use these types of cases with like a screen over it. So I'm probably gonna order another one that doesn't have a screen over it and a screen protector. Or I'll just take it to Apple and be like, put a screen protector on my phone. Although I'm pretty good at putting them on. So yeah, I'm excited about that. It says it's shipping Friday, but I'm not gonna even be home Friday. So if they deliver it Friday and I'm not here, that's gonna really suck. But yeah, here's my earring from yesterday. It's still so sad. Although now I don't have to worry about anything. So there's actually some relief to that. So I'm indifferent. I'm still sad, don't get me wrong. But I'm not as sad as when I lost these two, because again, there is that, you can even see it. My hair is disgusting, it's fine because I just got out of the gym. But like, do you see the bump? I don't know where, I think you can see. I literally can't tell if you can see that. But like right there, that bump was, and I can feel it inside. So I was just like, I'm not having another earring get eaten by my damn ear. So I'm gonna shower, dry my hair, put this shit in. Okay. All right, just got out of the shower, did my part in the middle because I think I want it in the middle because I like, granted, I do like to fluff my hair. So this is how I normally wear my hair, up like that. And I don't know if it's just because I don't have a lot of hair and that's like to give me volume, but there's, I don't know. Not that I necessarily can't do that, but I'll have to be really careful with the way I put my extensions, I think, on this side more so than that side. But I think, because again, I just chopped off 2 inches, so not like anything spectacular, but all right. So that didn't work out too well as far as filming because I need to be able to see. So people who film this and let people see how they do it, I am impressed, okay? I mean, I guess I can try. We'll see. So essentially I place it on, and so that will collect the hair, and I just pull it up. Grab a clear strip, and I like to go left to right. So you feel it that it's right there. It was upside down. Okay. Then slide it out. Just a little bit, because that's going to be hot, okay? So I think I got it in frame, couldn't tell you, to be honest. So now, in theory, you pull them up and you can actually pull your hair up without it like being cockeyed. This one may be the easier to show you. So I put my other row in. Again, it's not for like super crazy length. So I have one right here and I'm doing one kind of above it. Okay, so you can see most of my stragglers are away. I guess I don't want to zoom in too close. So I don't have much hair here. So I gotta be careful with placement. So I come just slightly to the back and then I just take it and lift it up, and then whatever hair is attached is the hair that I'll be sticking it to. So you can see there, switching it around because I'm a mess. And just place it on and you're done. No, I'm just kidding. You're not done. So see, it goes nice and flat. Actually, it's pointing towards my front, which in reality, that's probably all I care about. So you just take your straightener. I have mine on pretty hot, so just be careful because that glue will be hot and malleable, so don't touch it. Just kind of let it do its thing. I don't even know if I want to put one on the other side. I may just leave it there so it just adds whatever. Although then you don't have that weird blonde piece on the other side. Again, I've cut my hair literally forever, so I'm just gonna roughly chop it. So that's probably about 3 inches. And then you're not gonna see this because I want to do this over the sink. I'm just gonna do that, which helps the edges. So I'm just, again, doing that. And look, it goes away. Okay. I mean, technically, I probably don't need to add one, but I just see it, and but it's because I know it's there. And they haven't been washed and toned, so, but yeah, I'll put my hair up. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so it's right here, and then obviously the ones in the back, right here, right here, I think right there. So I might be okay with that. But keep in mind, my hair's not straight. So fluffier. And keep in mind, this is like artificially super silky. This won't look like it after I wash it. So it'll get a little bit more rugged and a little bit more, what's the word I'm looking for? Like, I don't want to say fried, but it doesn't look like that after a couple washes. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I didn't know how many came in a pack, but for reference, that's how much I have left. And that's how thin my hair is. Because if I put this whole thing in here, my hair would feel death. So my camera's dying. This was a long vlog because I talk a lot. But remember, when you have tape-ins, you gotta put your hair up / back when you go to sleep. Fun fact. I'll see you guys tomorrow.